So who see that little nasty, nappy, dirty dread ya? I back him fist in the bus off of the little girl. Literally take out him hood and I back him fist brawling in a brother. I true me can't show the video. And the little girl, I don't know why she don't alert somebody, brother. Your video little alert somebody and while in the video done, the little girl don't say nothing. You know when you like something or you used to something, but I not say she like it or she used to it. But alert somebody, no good God. When me a youth I grew up in the pit, any one of them make a funny stunt and a man try, you know. The little girl them get crazy, you know. Eh? The man, the little dirty, big, nasty, stinking, frownsy, mucky, dirty dread. I back him fist in the bus. I know the little girl him a back him fist off her brother. Why she not alert smaddy man? Make the people them hold him and mob him look dirty, napping. Him look think no bombard. Boy me not bust a back fist. I use bag of hide from the people man make the little girl see him a back him. The little girl the man a lit at she ma show him out. Say him a back him fist. Me don't know why the little girl say nothing and alert people. People all talk to her and she respond back to the people them. Before you tell the people them say see him there so I back him fist. I play with him mood. Look at dirty nasty the rasta not them for fine you. Them for fine you and lock up your little dirty pervert nasty dread self. Boy your back fist off a look much front and sell a back road. Take up a 2 or 3 grand or sit man and go buy a little catches man, look at dirty nasty nappy your dread. Eh? Boy ain't a bust a back fist off a little pitney. I don't know why that little girl never alert somebody and load you up. Eh? Boy ain't a bust a back fist. Them little big old dirty grey tone man ya. Yo, me I tell you, see you. Me I tell you, you know. Me and that little girl that pray with a car down. Why you not tell nobody? Why you not say something to somebody? Say something to somebody, man. Make them catch him, man. Make them catch him, man. Look at dirty, stinking, frozy jet. Boy, your back fist off a little pitney pan bus. Eh? You would really want to push that another little girl, eh? Because little girl look like she going at 7 or 8 grade. 9 grade the most. You would want to push that another little girl, eh? Eh? Look at thinking frozy jet before you go wash your wood.